believe it or not, there was one point in time where all of this fabric was in that chest.
That point in time was this morning, before I thought of making this video. Things kind of went downhill from there. Then I wouldn't have spent half my day cleaning up a monstrosity.
Skirt is slack. Now that I've added the elastic, it's time for the cape. Think of my train thing. Oh, thank you.
Then I take my scraps of fabric and cut tiny little strips out of each color for the front of my skirt.
Then I took a ridiculous long time to put the scraps on the front of the shirt, but it turned out really good and I'm really proud of myself. So I made some little chain charm thing, and I also made it a top. I kind of made it where it could be a top or a skirt.
It never fails. My neighbors are always out when I'm out. It's creepy. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Please comment down below if I should make more of making my own fashion designs, and also subscribe.